Our new mission today is to try to film some mountains, dos hermanos, the two brothers, at sunset. To accomplish our mission today, it has to be a good place within reach of the mountains, of course, at the right time, because we want to have the sunset, but it also takes a little bit of time to get the drone to the correct place. As you see here, it might be a really good day. The two brothers, dos hermanos. On the side of the mountain you have Vidigal. Have a nice contrast with the Sheraton Hotel and Vidigal in the background. Gotta be careful of the bird today. There's the huge birds and of course the helicopters. Now is the waiting game to set it up at the right time. It's time. Now or never. Or just another day.
Throw your stuff away. Don't hesitate. Don't be scared. New ways will appear in front of you. New wealth too. I know it's a bad day, catching every teardrop. Try to tame a hurricane. Wish you didn't feel alive. But if you try to embrace rather than push away, you will find this place getting better day by day. Day by day. Day by day.
I think our mission is accomplished. There we have it. Oh, there's a lot of people today. It's also very good. Oh yeah, the food is there already. And you have this. God, it's yeah. Little cola, Coca-Cola.
I surrender.